In 15.3 on page 454, we're journalizing the adjusting entries for accumulated depreciation. It says calculate the depreciation expense for a color printer costing $950. The printer has an estimated salvage value of $150 and a useful life of 5 years. On the next page, we're given this little flowchart of what we're going to fill in. The original cost of the printer is $950. The salvage value is $150. So what we do is we subtract these amounts and we're left with $800 as the estimated total depreciation expense. The years of estimated useful life given in the problem is 5. So we're going to divide 800 divided by 5, and the annual depreciation is $160 that we're going to take off of this printer every year for 5 years. Now number 2 says calculate the book value of the color printer at the end of its second year of service. So if we start off with the original cost of $950, in year 1 we're going to take off $160, which we calculated up here. In year 2 we're going to take off another $160, so that when we add these we get $320. When we subtract these two amounts, the book value at the end of year 2, this printer is going to be worth $630. Number 3 says, on December 31st, Southside Electric determined its total depreciation expense. The total depreciation expense is $2,150 for office equipment and $7,440 for store equipment. Journalize the adjusting entries for accumulated depreciation. So we're going to do 2 more adjustments. So the date is the 31st, and the depreciation expense for office equipment is going to be $2,150, and the credit is accumulated depreciation for office equipment, $2,150. And we're going to do the same thing for store equipment. So we debit depreciation expense for store equipment, and that amount given in the book is $7,440, and we credit accumulated depreciation for store equipment, and that's $7,440 as well.